Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by JK Rakhan. So friends, in this video we will discuss about the doubts of the candidates who were asking in the comment section related to the call letter of Short Service Commission June 2021 batch of the Indian Navy. So recently friends, under this batch the official cutoff for the different type of branches has been declared in order to appear in the SSB interview by the Indian Navy on their official online portal. If you are shortlisted under this batch for the SSB interview, you need to check your shortlisting criteria on the portal. So friends, in this video we will complete discuss how to check that you are shortlisted for the SSB interview or not, and how to download your call letter, because a lot of candidates were asking in the comment section that they are shortlisted for the SSB interview but the call letter is not yet received on their mail IDs. So in this video we will discuss that you will receive the call letter accordingly based on your SSB interview dates. So not to worry, we will discuss in this video how to check your shortlisting criteria and when the call letter will be uploaded on the portal. So firstly friends, in order to check the shortlisting criteria, you need to go through that video in which we have already discussed the official cutoff under this SSC June 2021 batch of the Indian Navy in order to appear in the SSB interview. So if you have already qualified the official cutoff, then no doubt you are already shortlisted for the SSC Tech June 2021 SSB interview. So in order to check the shortlisting criteria, just come on the Indian Navy official website. You need to log in. Then after, you need to go through the application status. Then after, you need to click on the Short Service Commission June 2021 batch under different cadres. You need to click on the view. Then after opening this window under this application status, you need to check under this second section, that is a shortlisting. So if this section is appearing green on your portal also, then no doubt you have been shortlisted for the SSB interview, and the remaining doubt related to the call letter. So friends, if the third section, that is a allotment of the SSB exam center, is green is appearing on your portal, then no doubt the SSB dates has been allocated to you. Then after, under this section, that is the under the below section, there will be a link is available for the call letter. So you need to download your call letter from your portal accordingly if the third section is appearing green on your portal. And if the third section is not appearing green on your portal, then the SSB dates is not yet allocated to you. That's why a mail is not yet received by you on your registered mail ID. So no need to worry about that. You can easily see on this display that the call letter will be uploaded soon. So no need to worry about that. Your SSB date is not too close. You will get the SSB dates accordingly based on your SSB dates allocation to you. And then after, you will receive an intimation from the Indian Navy also related to your SSB interview. When your SSB interview will conduct from this date to that date, you will receive complete information on your registered mail ID from the Indian Navy. And then after, you can download your SSB call letter from the Indian Navy official website on your portal. And then after, you need to follow all the instructions that is available on your call letter related to the COVID-19 guidelines, and then after, the original documents that you need to carry while visiting in the SSB center for the SSB interview. So friends, this is the basic doubt that we have cleared in this video related to the call letter, and remaining doubt related to the how to check the shortlisting, whether you are shortlisting for the SSB interview or not. So all the doubts we have discussed in this video in a very comprehensive manner. So if you have any doubt other than that we have already discussed in this video, so you can post your query in the comment section. We will definitely discuss on that doubts also. Thank you friends.